Okay, and now we're going to play the fourth drop, so the fourth chapter of Veil Frame Maiden of Black Water. I actually went ahead and I bought the Crimson Butterfly remake and a couple of other games that we'll be playing on here. Oh, damn it. Really? It's Tony, isn't it? Of course it is. Hello, Tony. Welcome back. I need Homeboy to just, like, die. I'm tired. Damn, bitch. You had to go into the water? Ugh, Tony's gonna come up and try and drag me down again. Oh, yep. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Okay. Wow. Oh. I thought you were done. No. Yeah, you must be done. I want to see it. Yeah, because I think this is the lore heavy stuff. Yep. It is.
Don't look at me.
Okay. I didn't expect her to actually attack me. Holy. Because I've noticed the shutter chance does a lot of damage. One time I was playing this and I got really... Oh yeah, that's great. There's like 20 fucking items in the fucking forest.
This is the hanging tree, I guess. Certainly looks like it. This is where... Huh? What? What is that?
Shit. I forgot about this fight. Oh, I remember this is a fight where I genuinely have to like heal up every 5 seconds. Like it was so bad the last time I played it. Like I had to redo this part 20 times. Oh, did he die? Oh my god. Okay, I'm stupid. Oh, shit. I was gonna say, because now I get to play the doll game, right? With the effigy.
Oh, you found me. You can't die either, huh? Ah, you want to go down there. I know you want to die. Before you do, how about a game?
What?
This is you. It's an effigy. Find me, if you can.
It's outside with all the other dolls. Like the hanging dolls. I don't want to go in the water. This is to outside to the garden, right? Oh, no, it's not. Damn it. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. 'Cause it's out here. She's gonna get absolutely bent out of fucking shape at me in a minute. Yeah, fuck them kids. Damn, I'm getting my ass beat by every fucking one of these kids. See? She's pissed. Alright. It's like the only place it looks like I can go. Alright, Tony, we'll come back. Damn, bitch, you were taking all of my film. Thank you. Okay, so I found out I'm actually just really fucking stupid. I just wasted like 20 minutes searching everything else.
Here, we can play together.
And now she's gonna beat my ass.
You feel like dying.
There is way too much film in this fucking place. Like, I just know shit's about to go down. Yeah, because I know that this for sure is someplace that's gonna be me getting attacked. Because they're gonna come out of the boxes.
Haruka.
I can still see it. That beautiful sunset on the day that only the two of us survived.
Haruka.
Fuyuhi, I'm melting.
Stay with me, Haruka.
Got absolutely just bodied by that ghost. There we go.
You. I'm Yuri. I was sent here to come and look for you. Can you walk? Come on, let's get out of here.
All right.
The person who asked you to come find me, was it Fuyuhi? Yes, it was.
To see her. I need to apologize. Why did I told you we'd be together too.
So sorry. Forgive me.
I can hear a song. It's that song. Did you come to see me?
Will dissolve into the waters of the mountain, into their very depths. Together. Blade. It's calling for you.
Come on, let's get out of here.
Right. Fuyuhi.
What were you doing there?
I saw the setting sun. It was drawing me in. I was becoming a part of it, as if I were melting.
Well, what's important is that you're back. Miracle you're not hurt.
Where is Fuyuhi?
Huh?
Is she here? I hear a song. That song.
Haruka,
Yeah, we
please.
did
Just try and get some rest for now, okay?
we did all that work, and her ass gets spirited away again, by the way.
Right.
And then she's a ghost later on, so
Thank you.
yeah.
Sorry to intrude.
Yeah, he literally comes back and spirits her away.
I kill her? Don't look at me.
Ren, it's time.
We'll leave now. You should get some rest.
I know. Good night.
It is shut.
This is such a long fucking chapter. What?
Haruka?
I think it's because this one was like cutscene heavy. B rank. Okay. Well, that is drop 4. I am ending it here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys back for drop 5.